Okay, bonjour. Yeah. Duliana and Amaya, did you able to get that book printed? I think Amaya has the book, right? What's about you, Duliana?
I couldn't get it, ma'am.
It's like you even didn't get printed.
No.
Okay. So you have you are logged within your phone, no? The
From my laptop.
then you can open it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's start from so basically we completed that day up to here. Oh no, right? We did, completed this one, isn't it? We did the diagram.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. And then let's come to this. So l'usage de tu et de vous. Okay. Can someone explain me what is the difference between tu and vous? මොකද මේ tu එකේ vous එකේ difference එක? You already know it. Tu use කරන්නේ මොන occasions වලටද? Vous use කරන්නේ මොන occasions වලටද? Can't remember tu and vous. Okay, can someone give me a reply? What is the difference between tu and vous?
Tu is always singular, and the plural of tu is vous.
Plural of tu is vous. Okay, but when we are using vous in singular form as well. For what is that occasion?
When you are meeting someone for the first time.
Yeah, and for the respectable person as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Imam, you are in, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right. So those are the occasions. Here they say, okay, j'utilise. J'utilise is I use. So basically, I use pour parler une personne dans une relation informelle. I'll explain because you can't understand it. J'utilise, I use blank pour parler à une personne dans une relation informelle. I use what? For to speak about a person in a relationship informal, friendly or familiar. So what you are going to use? Tu or vous? What you are going to put? For the Imam, we are in Alter Ego. PDF is 10 and the real page number is 19.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I use what you are using for to speak a person in a relationship, informal, friendly or familiar. Familiar. So what is the word? Tu or vous?
Tu.
Tu. Okay. Then j'utilise vous. Then obviously the next one is vous. J'utilise vous. I use vous to speak à une personne dans une relation formelle, to a person in a formal relationship. It can be commercial, professional, ou hierarchic. It's a hierarchically higher person. Other person ou plus. Again, you are using for two persons or more. Those your relation formal or informal. So in a formal or informal, plural. It's like if you're talking to two or more people, you are using vous. That is there. It's just you already know it, like here also they have explained that. Okay, Here we see, come to this section. Saluer de manière formelle. Saluer is to greet. Saluer is to greet. De manière formelle. Salute in a formal way. So basically you are using the greetings like bonjour, bonsoir, bonjour madame, bonjour mademoiselle, bonjour monsieur, bonsoir madame, bonsoir mademoiselle, bonsoir monsieur. Okay, it's like so it's a formal occasion, formal way to greet. Then always, if it is formal situation, always you are using vous. Vous allez bien. Vous allez bien is you are fine. And comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous is how are you? Comment allez-vous is how are you? So here when you say prendre congé de manière, okay, prendre congé is like you are departing. You are saying bye in a formal way. So in those occasions you say au revoir madame. Okay, using the word madame, you have made that occasion a formal one. Okay, then you have the manière informal, greet in an informal way. Still you can use the word bonjour. We have done those things earlier also. You can say bonjour, or the informal conversation you say salut, hi. Tu vas bien, you are fine. Ça va, you can ask those things. Tu vas bien, ça va. Okay, the manière informal to say bye. Au revoir you can use, salut, okay, you can use. So the words like bonne journée, bonne soirée, bon weekend, à demain, à lundi. Those three things actually you can use in both the forms. It's like it can be formal or informal. You already know the word bonne journée, have a nice day. Bonne soirée, have a nice evening. Bon weekend, have a nice weekend. Adaman, see you tomorrow, and Alandi, see you on Monday. You have any questions from this? Maybe in terms of pronunciation and you don't know where to use it. You have any problem here? No? Right. Then I need to see whether you have this book with you. I emailed this one also. You have it or not?
Have, madam.
Have, okay. Okay, I didn't start the book last week, right?
Yes, madam.
We started or not?
No, madam.
Right, okay. So you have, but we did articles, right? Anyun, de, lalale, that part we did in the tute, right? Article indéfini, article défini. Yes or no? Le, la, le, an, un, de. Hello? Yes or no? I mean this one.
We did it, ma'am.
We did it, right? Okay. So you know what is le, nun, de, and what is le, la, le. Yes or no? If you can't remember, you have to tell me. Then I can do a small revision. Imam, can you remember that part?
Madam, can you do a small revision?
Okay. Juliana and Amaya?
A revision.
You want, right? Okay, I have, let me do something. I have a small presentation also. Maybe Please again write down the topic, the indefinite article. The indefinite article. Okay, quickly write down this part, then I'll explain it. Quickly write down this. Imam, you got disconnected. Write the topic and write down this part.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you all still writing or completed writing?
Still writing.
Okay. Okay, the indefinite article. Basically, the indefinite article in the French has three forms. So, basically, tell me what is and an is the indefinite article. Okay, and කියන වචන දෙක පාවිච්චි කරාම when it comes to in single language, let's say a boy means පිරිමි ළමයෙක්, a girl means ගැහැණු ළමයෙක්. So, if you put or an, we don't know exactly to whom we are referring. කාටද මේ අපි කියන්නේ කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. Okay, but when it comes to the is actually the definite article. If you say the boy, පිරිමි ළමයා කිව්වම you know on whom you are talking to. Do you agree with me or not? You will have to speak. You agree, right? Yeah. So basically, in the English language, you have only two forms. That is a and an. Tell me where to use a and where to use an. So where we use a and where we use an. එක කොතනද පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ and එක කොතනද පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ? Easy, right? English වල මම අහන්නේ. A boy and apple. Now tell me. Amaya, can you tell me what is the difference? A boy to a දාලා ඇයි apple වලට and දාන්නේ?
A is an vowel because
Vowel,
A is
ah.
vowel.
In front of vowels.
In front of vowels you put an. For consonant you put a. Okay, that is how they change. But in French language you have three forms. It depends completely on the gender. Okay, gender and number. You can masculine now. අපි මෙතන මේ m එකක් දාලා තියෙන්නේ. If it is masculine you put an. If it is feminine you put un. Can you remember that? An, un. And the plural of both is they. Plural of that is they. So it gives the idea some. අපි English වල some එක දාන්නේ නැහැ. It's like this, no. A boy, plural is boys. අපි some boy කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. Some boys කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. Apples. So this is, so in French, for boy you say a girl is une fille. So make it plural, you make it the fille. Un livre, a book. Des livres, books. Okay, did I like මොනවද කියලා දුන්නද dictionary එක පාවිච්චි කරන විදිය? Dictionary එක අපි කරානේ නේද? වචන හෙව්වනේ? Word reference?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. Then you know this part. So here what you need to like remember is the indefinite article in French has three forms. You have three forms. So they are un, un and they. The singular indefinite articles. In singular form you have two indefinite articles un and un. That is equivalent to a and an. And an. The plural is they. The plural of un and un is they. It corresponds to some. It's like has the same form of both genders. It's like basically we don't say some. So the plural simply you can remember they is the plural of un and un. Okay, then just draw this chart. Draw the chart. It has simplified what we discussed. Okay, it is a simplification. It's like for masculine singular you use un, and feminine singular you use un. For masculine plural, you use they, and feminine plural, you use they. Okay. Then which indefinite article to use depend on two things. It depends on two things, that is gender and number. Write down this also. By gender, you say whether it is masculine or plural. The number means whether it is singular or plural. Okay. Write down this also. Okay, is this part clear for you? How it depends on gender and number thing? You understand, or it's difficult to understand? You all have to answer, okay? Like actively participate in the class. You understood it or not?
Can understand, madam.
Can understand, right? Yeah, give me answers, like otherwise like I'm repeating the same again and again. Okay. Okay, you have a small chart. Okay, the noun's gender, masculine or feminine. So it is Angarsong is a boy, it's a masculine word. Yunfi is a feminine word, and the plural of, you have the plural. They have put some in brackets because it's not a must to write some. They garsong mean boys, the fi is girls. Write down that part also. Okay. Let's move to the other parts. If you have questions, ask me. Okay. And then write down in both cases. So basically, indefinite article is used to an unspecified person, right? We don't know about exactly who is that person. It is used for unspecified person or thing. So I'm giving you this note because maybe most of the times you will forget when you are doing your like studies again. This is like the heart of language, okay? You need to understand that indefinite, definite nouns, and then the difference between masculine and feminine genders, plural, like when you are studying adjectives, then you are studying tenses and all the time this matters. If you didn't get this properly, it will be so hard. Write down this part also quickly. Okay. This part is not needed. Let's come to the definite article. Write down the topic, the definite article, and write down this part. Okay. So this is about the definite article. Earlier also we discussed there are 4 forms of the definite article in French. Okay. Basically, in English we have one form, right? We have only the word the. For singular, plural, masculine, feminine. For everything you have only the word there. But in French you have 4 forms. The singular definite article. Singular definite article, for singular form you have 3 words. Le, la, l'apostrophe. If someone can remember what is the how we use this la and l'apostrophe, tell me. Can someone remember? Tuliana, can you remember?
Yes, teacher.
La is for what?
Masculine singular,
And la,
feminine singular.
l'apostrophe?
When there's a word starting from a vowel.
Vowel. Okay, very good. And then Amaya, tell me where we use lay.
We use lay on plural for all these.
Yeah, plural of all these. Very good. Okay. All of which correspond to the in English. So everybody is giving the idea of the. Okay, right. Draw this chart also. Then you have a clear note. Draw this chart. Let's move to the next part. Okay, here the use of definite article depends on 3 different things. Earlier it was dependent only the gender and number, right? Even in terms of when you're taking indefinite article, here gender again it matters whether it is feminine or masculine, and then the number is it does matter, it's with the singular or plural, and the first letter the word starts, if it is vowel or consonant. Okay, write down that also. Okay, then write down this part. No need to write down this. Okay. Here you have some examples. They have put the in the brackets because still you can you write the word without the also. But anyway, don't put it in brackets when you're writing. Just write the boy without brackets. Okay. So how it comes with some examples. Okay. Still, you have any things didn't understand in this lesson, or is it totally okay? What do you think, Duliana? What do you think? Is that okay? Totally okay for you?
Yes, teacher.
Imam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amaya?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now we are moving to the that grammar book. Get that printed also because we'll be doing the grammar part with this book. So, le nom animé, formation du féminin. Le nom animé is like you call it living nouns. පණ තියෙන දේවල්, පණ තියෙන නාමපද. මට උදාහරණ ටිකක් කියන්න, what are the living nouns?
Cat,
Yes.
dog,
Cat, dog. And then you have like the professions, right? Professions, it's like the doctor, a teacher, a lawyer, and then you can say the nationalities like the French, the English, everything falls under this, right? Okay, here we are going to learn how to form feminine form of like a masculine word, masculine living noun. So come to the first one, an artist, un artist. So basically the word is same, right? The word is ending with e and it is the same, but you have changed the article here, an and un. So when it comes to un, it's a masculine artist, and un artist is a feminine artist. You understand? So it's one segment. The both word is not changing, only the article is changing. But come to the second one. Here you don't have E, and then the feminine form you have E. Basically in French language, to show that it's feminine, what we normally do is we are adding E for adjectives and everything that happens. So in some words, if you don't have E at the end, you are adding E for the feminine noun, and then you change the article. Here also the same, one marchand without E, you are adding E and making it feminine. Avocat same, anglais is same. Here an ami is a friend. When it comes to an ami, it's a male friend, and then un ami is female friend. Un marchand, a merchant. Un marchand is a female merchant. An avocat, male lawyer. Un avocat is female lawyer. An anglais is a English man. Un anglaise is English woman. Okay, from there take your notes there. Any of you didn't get this book printed, right? Yes or no? No, right?
I got the printout.
You got the printout, right? Okay. So others, put your notes, and Amaya, you also put your notes what you have done. Others, write down and put the notes. Hurry up. Okay. Choisissez la forme qui convient. Choose the suitable form. So mon père. So I'll give you the meaning of the word mon. Mon, ma, both the words give my. Basically, mon for masculine and ma for feminine. Okay. So what is the meaning of père? What is the meaning of père? What is the meaning of père? That is father. Okay. So mon père est informaticien. Which answer comes? This one or this one? First answer or the second answer? Amara, can you answer me?
First one.
First one. If you know the answer, just don't wait till I call you. Do it. Okay. The second, can you write down the answers up to 10? So you can use the dictionary also. Now you know the meaning of mon and ma. By that itself, you can find out the gender, right? Can you do it?
Okay, madam.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Imam, you understand, right? Imam?
Yes, ma'am, a little bit because I didn't watch the video.
Okay,
Again,
in that case, I suggest you to quickly get a screenshot of this.
okay.
And then you will get idea of, have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, okay. Oh, sorry. Now try to do it. Okay, the first one, yeah, we did the first one, mon père informaticien. Informaticien is the IT personnel who works in IT, information technology. So we discussed the answer is the first one. Okay, Amaya, can you tell me the answer for the second one?
First one.
Okay, pharmacien. Yeah. My mother is a pharmacist. Ma mère est pharmacien. My mother is pharmacist. And then, Imam, can you give me the answer for the third one?
Assistant
Which answer? First or second?
for the third one.
Yeah.
So the first one.
No, it should be the second one because it's feminine and you are adding e at the end. Ma sœur est assistante. My sister is an assistant. And then mon frère est musicien. The first answer. My brother is a musician. Ma femme est infirmière. My wife is a nurse. Infirmier is the nurse. My wife is a nurse. Mon mari est traducteur. Traducteur is a translator. My husband is a translator. Then ma fille, my daughter is cashier. My daughter is cashier. Mon fils est serveur. My son is a serveur is the waiter. Ma cousin est cousin. This is masculine. Okay, boulanger. My cousin is a baker. Ma cousine est actrice. My cousin is actress. There put a small note. Okay, let me give that note to you. Write down this note. Okay, and it's like when you're referring to person's profession or religion in French. Okay, so you don't write un. You don't put the article. Okay, can you see that here? You see they have not put article here. Write down that note there. Okay, so as I said, for a professional religion, we don't use the article. Il est professeur is he's a teacher. When you're translating, you're supposed to do a translation also, French to English for your exam. So when you're translating, you can translate it with the article. He's a teacher. Il est étudiant. She's a student. You put the article there, but when you're writing in French language, they don't put article. So that is very important. Okay. Right. Let's come to the question number 6. So here what you need to do is you need to draw a chart. In one side you have to put noun masculine, in the other side noun feminine, and then you need to divide all these words into masculine and feminine in a chart. Do you understand what I ask you to do?
Yes, madam, understood.
Okay, go ahead. Um, Amaya, your word decorata is wrong. There's a spelling error. Other than that, the words are the word division is correct. Okay, all of you, Imam, you also number 7. Okay, so number 7, basically you need to change the given occupation. You see, those are the occupations. Now you need to write down. as per the gender, given gender, you need to change it. If it is given in masculine, change it to feminine. Likewise. Do number 7 also. That one also I need to check personally. So send me the answer. You understand what you are supposed to do, right? Okay, I'll do one for you. Elle est directrice. Il est directeur. Okay, go ahead. Okay. So question number 8 and 9 are homework. So here in masculine sector, you have given some words, you need to change it to feminine, or if you have given the feminine word, you need to put it into masculine. So 8 and 9 are homework. So here in number 9, you are supposed to do is, you need to use the dictionary and you need to match this one. It's like this is about actually the family members. Okay, fish is the son, so the feminine is fee. Here the words completely changing. Grandpère is the grandfather, so it is come grandmère, that is the grandmother. Likewise, find out the meanings of all the words. You understand in 8 and 9 what you're supposed to do?
Yes, madam.
Okay, good. So Sharoni, it's a homework. If you can complete it, you can start doing it. Others, have you completed? And Sharoni, if you want, you can leave also, because I am going to check the answers, and that's all for today. The
Okay,
other
madam.
part you can do as a homework.